back to our exploration of the internal workings of consumer behavior. In our last lecture, we delved into the fascinating world of perception and information processing. Today, we'll turn our attention to two interconnected processes that play a crucial role in shaping our preferences and choices as consumers: learning and memory. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, behaviors, or attitudes through experience, study, or observation. It's a fundamental aspect of human existence, and it significantly impacts our consumer behavior. Memory, on the other hand, is the process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. It is the mental reservoir that holds our past experiences, knowledge, and beliefs, influencing how we perceive and respond to the world around us. There are several ways in which learning and memory influence our consumer behavior. Behavioral learning. This type of learning focuses on the relationship between stimuli and response. It suggests that we learn through reinforcement, either positive in the form of rewards or negative through punishments. For example, if we have a positive experience with a particular brand or product, we are more likely to purchase it again in the future. Cognitive learning. This type of learning emphasizes the role of mental processes in acquiring knowledge and understanding. It involves activities such as problem solving, reasoning, and decision making. As consumers, we constantly learn about new products and services, evaluating their features and benefits to make informed choices. Social learning. This type of learning occurs through observing and imitating the behavior of others. We learn from our family, friends, peers, and even media figures, adapting to their preferences and behaviors. For example, we might try a new restaurant because a friend recommended it, or buy a certain brand of clothing because our favorite celebrity wears it. Marketers leverage the principles of learning and memory to influence consumer behavior through various stages. Repetition. Repeated exposure to a brand or product can increase brand awareness and recognition, making it more likely to be recalled and considered during the purchase decision process. Rewards and loyalty programs. By offering rewards and incentives, businesses can reinforce desired behaviors and encourage repeat purchase. Storytelling. Creating a compelling brand narrative can help consumers connect with the brand on an emotional level, making it more memorable and meaningful. Sensory marketing. Engaging multiple senses through visual, auditory, and olfactory stimuli can create a more impressive and memorable brand experience. In conclusion, memory and learning are integral to our consumer behavior. They shape our preferences, influence our choices, and ultimately determine which brands and products we choose to support. By understanding these processes, businesses can develop more effective marketing strategies that resonate with the consumers and foster lasting relationships. In our next lecture, we will continue our exploration of internal influences on consumer behavior by focusing on the role of attitude and persuasion in shaping our beliefs and actions.